Welcome back to Beginner's Luxe, where we make food that looks expensive, tastes divine, and takes less time than a doom scroll through TikTok. Today's recipe? Pasta al limone. Nothing beats a light and luxurious pasta that's trying to keep summer vibes going as long as possible. For today's recipe, we'll need a short list of ingredients: about 3 ounces of Parmesan, a lemon, a handful of basil, 15 ounces of ricotta cheese, and the pasta of your choice. Start by dumping your ricotta into a bowl, then zesting your lemon. I saw this zest tap method on Bon Appetit, and it seems to help get the peel off the zester and into the bowl without having to get it all over your fingers. Next step, basil. Now, you can go ham and tear it up and just drop it into the bowl, but if you want to be a little more refined, you can chiffonade it into tiny ribbons. We are trying to be fancier, after all. This is surprisingly easy to do. Just layer the basil leaves onto one another. I like to go largest to smallest, and then roll them up tightly, then cut them into ribbons. This probably would have gone a little better had I not just used the knife to cut up the Parmesan, but you get the idea. Speaking of the parm, time to grate that in. You can use pre-shredded if you'd like, but I try to buy it whole to prevent myself from eating it out of the bag at 3 a.m. like an absolute animal. Once you've got all that mixed together, add this to your drained pasta. As a side note, before you drain your pasta, you might want to save a cup of the pasta water to add back in later, just in case your ricotta mixture isn't saucy enough. I apparently added too much water, so I had to cook this back down again on a very low heat. I mean, it happens, and now my kitchen smells all the better for it. And that's it, you're ready to plate. I topped mine with a bit of extra ricotta. I wanted to make a little well for the balsamic caviar we made in a previous video. One, because they're delicious and they look way more difficult to make than they are. And two, because this is unintentionally becoming a multi-course date night series. Also featured, our basil oil yet again. And there you have it, pasta al limone to make your date night fancy AF. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or subscribe for more recipes with a champagne taste on a spaghetti budget. Are there any other ways that you like to use lemon in your pasta recipes? Let me know in the comments.